Hi everyone. I want to show you today how you can create a promo email using HubSpot. In this example, I'm going to show you what I will do when I'm about to launch a product or a service. In this case, I am producing a couple of videos for Udemy, and pretty soon I'm going to launch a course about HubSpot. So I'm going to show you the steps that I'm going to take when I decided to promote my content. So inside of our HubSpot, we're going to select marketing and then email, and then create an email. In this case, I'll have a list, a contact list. So I'm going to choose regular type of email, and then I'm going to hit next. Here, you're going to see HubSpot already provides you a few templates. I really like to use the newsletter template, even though this is a this is like a promo email, but I feel the newsletter template has a really good design, and I like to use this one. But you can select any design pretty much because you can customize in the way that you want to customize them. So let's choose newsletter. In here, you're gonna have your email template. HubSpot makes it very easy for you, so all you need to do is drag and drop the way that you want to customize your content. I already have a preset type of content because I want to make this faster, but pretty much you can follow my steps and you can try your own. So feel free to customize the way that you feel like is more appropriate. So I like to start by naming my email. In this case, I'm gonna just add like promo email Udemy HubSpot course. But you can name it the way that you feel like is more appropriate. And then I'm gonna start the show. Company logo, you can add a logo. In this case, I don't have a logo, so I'm gonna remove it. Here, I always like to use like a banner for my email. I already have a banner that I create in Canva, but you can customize your banner the way that you feel is more appropriate for you. I already have here my banner. Alt text. Usually, I like to describe what's happening in the image. In this example, I'm gonna just add young man is smiling at the camera with text on the left. And then here, you can add a link to your banner. In this case, I'm gonna add my Udemy link. I like to add links because I feel for any opportunity that you have inside of your email for people to click, it's good to have a link so you can take to the page. In this case, I'm gonna add my Udemy page because I want my contact to click on that link to go to my Udemy page and subscribe to my course. That's the goal of all of this. And then I'm gonna start to customize my email. I already have here ready for me a header in the copy. Um, so I'm gonna add here oh, sorry. Let me remove this guy because I just want simple. Gonna text my copy here, and then I can check. Okay, my H1 is gonna be this one. Your HubSpot journey starts here, and I'm gonna give a little brief about who I am and what is this course for. The nice thing about HubSpot is you can use the AI assistant to refine your message. For example, if I want to rewrite this, if I want to expand, if I want to shorten, if I want to change tone, those options are available for you inside of your email template. I'm gonna leave as it is because I already wrote this and I reviewed it and I like the copy. But if you want to use the AI assistant, you just select the copy and you're gonna see this icon here, refine. So it's pretty easy. Also here on the top, you'll see the star and can generate with Copilot like a new copy or also refine your text. Here I'm gonna add like image and also text because I like to use image and like some colors to kind of make my email more appealing to my customer. So in here, I can also change the color of my background to make more appealing. I'm gonna select like this color because I really like this color. Image, you can integrate HubSpot with Canva and add the image directly to your email template. And inside of Canva, I'm going to show you. You can come here and design with Canva and select like a template. In this case, I'm going to use email header because it's sorry, not email header. I'm going to use the logo because it's the perfect size for that part. I'm going to click here. And then the nice thing about Canva, you can also use AI to generate images. So for example, inside of Canva, you go to Elements and then AI image generator, and then can generate your own. You just type like a few words on how you want your image, and then Canva gives you a few options. I already did that part, so I'm gonna show you what Canva gave me. So I just type it in like a student learning from an online course, generate an image of a student learning from an online course, and Kevin generate like those images for me, like pretty much what I type. Already added those images to HubSpot, so I'm not gonna do this process again. But I think you have the understanding how to do that. I'm gonna select these images. As you can see, like I have the image here that I generate in Canva. Also for this image, I like to add the alt text. I'm gonna add here the alt text and also a link. As I mentioned before, I love using links in images, in headers, because I know usually people, they tend to click an image, they tend to click on the banner. So it's good to have a link so you can directly the contact to the page that you want them to go. And then here, I have the image on one side, and then I'm gonna add the text on the other side. As you can see, it's pretty much drag and drop. Click, edit, here we go. I already have the copy ready for me. So I just gonna grab the copy and paste it here. And again, in this part, you can select the copy and then can refine the message using HubSpot AI Assistant. Also with the copy, I have a CTA here, a text CTA. I'm gonna leave it as a text because I like to, when I send this, I like to track. I like to have a few options with text link as my CTA and a few options with the CTA as a button, so I can see which one is performing better. I'm gonna add a second image here. I already generated this image as well using Canva, like I mentioned before, using the same steps. And I'm gonna add an alt text here the same way, and then also a link. As I mentioned, I don't want to miss the opportunity. I'm gonna add a link, and here I'm gonna add another copy. Let me just copy my copy because I already had in my document the copy that I wrote. I'm gonna add it here. And again, I can select and change or the same way, refine. And then here, I'm gonna add like a final CTA. I'm gonna add a final CTA just to make it clear that I am promoting my online course. So I'm gonna drag and drop this text option. I'm gonna add this ready to get started. And then here under ready to get started, I'm gonna add my button. I'm gonna add my button. I'm gonna change this color a little bit. And then with the button, I'm gonna change the text. I'm gonna put enroll now on Udemy because where my page is. This is gonna be my button. And also here, I'm gonna change the color. As you can see, I put like, one module with white, another one with this light orange. It's up to you in terms of design. Um, I'm gonna put this bold, and here we go. We have a final CTA. I can adjust this top spacing if I want. Also here in the button, I can adjust the styles, and then I can adjust the button. Also top spacing. So you can customize here the way that you feel is more appropriate. And here we go. We have pretty much a promo email ready. And now in terms of settings, you need to make sure the front name is correct, the front address is correct. a subject line as well. Not always, but I prefer to customize my subject line by personalization. So with the personalization, you bring the first name of your contact that is in your database inside of your HubSpot to the subject line. In this case, I have start your journey today. First name is going to be my contact first name. For you to add the personalization, you just click here, personalize, and then type. You're going to select contact and then first name. Here we go. If we don't have the first name, I like to add like there, just in case if we don't have a first name, it's gonna be there. Like start your journey, your HubSpot journey today, there, or friend, or like any any message that if in case you don't have a contact name is gonna show up. And then I'm gonna add a preview text. The preview text HubSpot has these options to generate based on the copy body. So I'm gonna use this to test it out, and the AI assistant is gonna bring me some options for me to choose from. So we have this. I kind of like this first option, but it's not quite there. So I'm gonna ask Copilot to bring more results related to that, based on that type of results that they just brought me. So I like this one, so I'm gonna select insert. And here we go. We have a preview task generated by AI based on my copy text. So like based on this content, the AI assistant is gonna generate a preview text for me. So here we go. We have a preview text, we have a subject line with a token personalization, we have the settings correct. I like my style here. I like my design. I already checked my CTAs, and this is ready to go pretty much. And then after you review it, you want to make sure you have your contact list. So, for example, right now I don't have a contact list here because it's a test portal, but I can select a contact list. And also, if I have a suspension list, I can add don't send to, and then you can create like a contact list that you don't want HubSpot to send this email to. And then you can schedule your email or send now. And here you go. You have your email ready for you to send. So I hope this is helpful. And this is very interesting because we combine two tools here, Canva, that for design, and also HubSpot. And we use HubSpot AI system to help us to navigate in terms of copy and also design. So I hope this is helpful, and thank you so much.